the top of Cannon. This is Meddersill Mountain. The little pond, outdoor pool, and the patio, tennis courts, and the rest of the building. And there's the valley. This is our view. And the wall. And there's our door. And if you go in, you'll see her. There's Kelsey. And this is our suite. There's a bedroom and a bathroom in the back. And all Kelsey's toys. And we're having fun. Can you say hi, Kelsey? Say hi.